I started the GoPro. And I'm gonna go out here. I'm gonna go out here and look at this dude and check him out. I was ready to earn him too, man. I need to. Let me see what this dude says, man. I like this shit. I'm gonna read it. I got this fucking GoPro going. I don't know if it's working right or not. My fucking keys. There. Said the trespass me. Damn dogs. Alright, I'm walking on the sidewalk. There's my fucking car. In case he tries to trespass me. I'm gonna walk up here. It's an unmarked state trooper car. And we're gonna ask him. We're just gonna check in with him up here. There's some dogs barking over there. Woof, woof. Damn dog bark. Violent dogs back here. They're gonna bite me. What's this place? This place here. I don't know what this fucking place here is. See, I'm walking on the sidewalk here. Mike Dolan, hello Facebook. What we got here? These motherfuckers are speed. Hats off to you, brother. I seen you clocking them. I got a radar detector too. I was clocking them too. But see, mine ain't calibrated. I just bought it. I'm trying to calibrate it.
Yeah.
I'd like to be able to calibrate it with yours, but I guess you wouldn't want to do that.
Yeah, we're not allowed to.
I like to use it in my neighborhood. My neighborhood likes to speed down there in Dogwood Acres, say.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's 10 miles an hour, you know.
Yeah.
Some kid's gonna get hit one day.
Oh yeah.
And they're, you know, I had a bad experience with that, so that's why I'm on it. Anyway, what's your officer's name and that badge number, sir?
Sergeant Desherlow, 9424.
You are very professional. Some will give you a good grade. I'm one of them auditors, you know. I go everywhere.
Oh yeah.
I don't go everywhere. No, I don't. I go cop. I go to court and shit like that. I don't go. I ain't going into post office and all that.
Yeah.
Standing out on the businesses and all that nonsense.
Right.
Not unless they try to scam me or rip me off.
Right. Yeah, I get that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I understand.
Anyway.
Yep, good one out here.
Yeah, you too, man. I don't like cops, right? I really don't. I used to be a prison guard for 20 years.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. They said I'm a turncoat. I said, no, I ain't. I'm Saul turned to Paul. I used to be a tyrant, man, a real bad one.
Yeah.
But, man upstairs. Sober. That's the thing, stay sober.
That's awesome.
And, yeah, I wanted to delete laws. You ever heard of Chile Castro? Delete law, you know, watch YouTube at all. Cop orders, yeah. Yeah, I'm a newbie, basically. Fresh, you know, I'm learning, still learning. I've been learning for about a year, constantly. Busting all them laws in my head, you know. Tech line versus Danforth, you know, 43. park where I can park, this and that, and all. Anyway, all right, you have a good day, sir. And yeah, it's nice talking to somebody professional. And I'm finding the Delaware State Troopers are professional,
Yep,
you know.
we try to be.
And nobody's giving me. And if I got drunk one day 1 year ago and did something wrong, I admitted to it and I paid for it. I paid for
the best you can do. Just own it and move on.
Yeah, I was disturbing. I was just trying to slow the neighbors down.
Yeah.
You know, but no good deed goes unpunished. Yeah. Oh, I ain't worried about what you got on your computer.
Oh, no.
All right, buddy.
Yeah, man.
You take it easy.
Have a good one.
Mike Dolan. All right. Hey, there's a bike over there. There's a motorcycle over there. He did pretty good. I'm surprised he's I don't know if he's state trooper. I think he's town cop, but he got 3 stripes, so it makes him a what? There's a motorcycle over there. And I don't know if my GoPro's catching it or not. But there's a bike over there, see? There's a fucking motorcycle over there. That's a big bike. That's that bike that guy had for sale. So I'm walking on the sidewalk, had been on the sidewalk the whole time. He seemed like he was pretty. Uh-oh. All right, I want to shut this down. Shutting this down. I don't want to catch nobody come. Damn, that dog gonna bite me. He gonna bite me. That dog gonna bite me. Watch them, they're gunning up there. They're gunning, they got the radar up there. Watch them. That's my retirement. That's what I do for retirement down here. All right, let's shut this bitch down.